Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melissa and this is Jocelyn. So it was requested by another fellow YouTuber and to do another one. We were originally gonna do what she suggested, but Jocelyn, like we've talked about, it's really hard to keep her on one path and keep her in that one path and stuff. So we changed it and we're
going to do not monsters.
We're gonna do monsters, but not the Monster Highs.
No, Monster High.
Oh, you want to do Monster High now?
I want to use this palette.
Okay, so we're gonna do Monster High theme. I'm gonna do so I actually would use this. I'm gonna be doing the character Rebecca Steam, and she's gonna do her version of let's see. What do you want to be? Oh, what's her name? She's one of the vampires. It's not Dracula, but you have hers at all.
That big doll?
Yeah.
That one with the same color?
She's got kind of a purpley white colored skin.
I think she's in my room. She's one of the big dolls.
Give me 1 second. And we will be doing like I did with my first video, is that I'll do an intro and talk, and then everything else will be fast forward, speed up and everything, and there'll be music and stuff, because it's going to take, I know for me, for a while. She'll probably be sitting there watching something while I am trying to finish up my look and stuff. So that's how we're going to do it, and it's going to be fun. Because I know I'm going to first do my base real quick, and then I'll work on hers. Because I need to lighten her face up and make it a little bit of purpley tone.
Is this the correct one, Harry?
Close that up, Bubby. That is a really expensive palette.
Okay.
Like almost 60 bucks.
I could use the other one, the dress. Me.
I know her. She's one of our favorites.
She will probably have pangs.
Elissabat. There we go. I will have pictures of everyone. So she's going to be Elissabat. I'm going to be Rebecca Steam, and I will have them right here like I've done before in the previous one. So she is a light pinkish purple and stuff. And yeah, this would be fun. And hold on, let me get in there real quick. I can get my hand in there. So that'll work. I got since I'm doing Rebecca Steam, I'll show you guys. I'll be like showing you and having Jocelyn stuff, but I'm gonna use, because I was thinking about getting rid of this and everything, but I was like, it'd be really good to use for Rebecca Steam. It is from Jeffree Star. It's his King Tut. I'm gonna kind of like scrape a little bit off and mix it into my foundation, my lightest one. But I think that would be a really cool thing and everything. So, hold on, let's go back real quick before we start that. Calm down. And you get to see the full-blown of ADHD right there. Just want to say thank you to everybody that was part of it, because she was crying. It was adorable. I look like a heck right now. So, let's open that up. So there we go. Rough idea. So she's a lot of reds too.
Pinks and reds?
Yeah. We're not going to be using this. I have an ideal to get the pink and stuff. And the purple. So don't worry about that. We don't need this guy. So yeah, now on to doing our base and everything. And now I'm going to get poked in the face. So I was thinking about pulling my hair back for this. My hair, you can see. Jocelyn, I'm trying to concentrate here. I'm going to grab one of my hair things because my hair won't stay, and I'm getting jabbed in the face by the little hoplet. So yeah, we are actually going to be doing what Mama Vapes asked is doing the Monster High looks. Which I'm trying to grab some. Thank you, my love. And she's all over the place right now.
Yay!
So I'm gonna wrap my hair in one of these. I know it's a polka dot. Stop! I'm trying to concentrate here, baby. That really hurts me.
I want to have fun.
I know you're having fun. Oh, don't get all mopey bopey. I know you're having fun.
Baggy.
Oh, Grammy.
Baggy.
This is not easy.
Baggy.
What are you doing, honey?
Mommy, Baggy Red. Red vampire.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Actually, let me take these guys out.
Blood.
Right.
Mommy.
Sorry, I'm trying to get my hair done, honey. Sorry. My hair is... Oh,
I
wow.
want to make her look like she has blood on her.
Okay, honey.
Here.
Okay, honey. I'm trying to get my hair in one position. So give me a moment, honey. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Honey, I'm trying.
We're fine. I like fun.
Okay. I can see, baby girl. You're having fun.
Don't mind that, okay? That's nothing.
It's just Kane being Mr. Loudmouth.
Quiet, Mr. Loudmouth.
He just wants to be part of the video, too. Everybody wants to be part of the video.
Yeah. Even one of the
Alright, so now on to the quiet part.
Whoopsie,
My hair looks...
I got blood on me.
Ooh, go wash yourself up.
Oopsie.
While...
Oopsie, I'm coming back.
Alright, so quiet time now. Alright guys, so this is our final look. Here is my attempt at Rebecca's theme, and this is her attempt at Elissabat and stuff. We had fun doing this. I know it's not accurate, but we had fun. My skin is very bronzy, but I try to copy her little rivets and stuff, and I have my steampunk earrings in. I think the only thing I couldn't get is the lips. I don't think I have that coppery color lipstick, but hers doesn't look bad. Hey, sit up. She did a cute job. So this is our Halloween cutesy look for my Halloween, my bonus one I did put in. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and if you guys do, give it a like down below and leave comments, whatnot. If you want, you can follow me Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I do air 5 times a week, give or take what's going on. And I really hope you guys like what we did and everything, and I hope you're all staying safe, and we love you all from the bottom of our hearts, and stay safe. Bye.